Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. And I said I was going to show you how I do my greenhouse bags. Well, I was going to show you what I'm doing with the greenhouse bags. Now, first of all, the bags have been cut right here on the side right here. I don't even know if you can see it. It's folded up. That don't even look like that one's been clipped. Let me see. To drain it, yeah, you can see it up on there. So you cut right there. And you cut right here on the side. There it is. It's folded up. You can't see it. And you cut on this side so it'll drain out. Well, this is, that's the way you do that before you put your dirt in the bag. Then you put your dirt in the bag and you put some seeds in here. Now, these seeds right here is broccoli. That's what's broccoli. And I just wrote the name of it on the outside of the bag. And I leave it turned over, bent over right here, turn out like that, and leave an opening so some air can get in it. This is lettuce. That's cabbage. Then we have the carrots here in the back. Let's open that up and see what's going on in there. Have green onions right here. The reason you put the holes in the bag is to so it'll drain and it won't drown your plant. And this is just regular onions, yellow onions. And that's just all that came up so far. Now over here, these are some wild onions that I got out the yard. I just put a black rubber band to hold them, the leaves together. But those were wild onions, came right out the yard, that you know, where your grass grow and all of that good stuff. And then you see those long stems sticking up. I put them right there. Now over here is basil. Even though it's the basil sticking up over there, when I got them out of the bag, that's what came out the bag. So I put some more seeds over here for some basil. And here, it's like green peppers, yellow peppers. The green peppers, that's what that is. That's green peppers. You know, the round, big round green pepper about that big. That's what those are. And then some seeds were put right there, there, and in the middle right there. And on that end. Over here, this is a green onion. It was really, really long. I broke it off and ate the long piece because it was so long it was hanging up here. This one right here, this is jalapeno peppers. And I put a seed right there in the middle. And I think one on this end. Because there was only 4 plants in here. This is a yellow onion in here. That I was cooking and cut the root off of it and planting it. Over here we have tomatoes. I didn't put any extra seeds in there because when the bag yielded a good crop inside of the Ziploc bag. And we're going to walk over here. And this is our okra. This is what the okra is looking like. So we're going to take it over here. I planted some potatoes. I took a whole potato and I cut it. And I cut it in right there, and I put one over here. Now there's a whole potato right there in the middle. So when those come up, I'm going to move those and put them in something a little deeper. And on the end right here, this is corn. I'm going to put this as something deeper too. And that over there is green beans. And I just want to show you how I use my greenhouse bags to grow to this point. I didn't put the potatoes in the greenhouse bag. I just put them in the dirt right here. Now, it's going to rain today and tomorrow. And I was going to go to Lowe's to pick up my dirt, but I'm going to wait and move my plants in a safer area, you know, take it off the little shelves and put it like in the middle of the floor, probably right there, so they won't get drowned by the weather. But this is Val. This is how you do it. And I'll see all you beautiful people on the next video. Now, those containers right there, I got them at the Dollar Tree. They were back there where the containers where you get your laundry baskets at. And they were only $1 and something a piece. Now, when I went to Dollar General, I got that, and that was $7. So that was a big mistake, and I ended up getting four of them. Sound like the rain coming. Y'all hear that? It is. It's drizzling right there. You can't see it. But this is Val. This is how you do it. I'm going to get off this thing and move some of these plants away from the edge and put them in the middle. Like, you know, take this one. No, I'm going to start so I know which plants is which. Because if I move them too quickly, I don't know what's what. It sounds like it stopped. But I'm going to start right there. Put that down, probably down here, and the next one, and just line them up so I know how to put them back when I get ready to put them back. And take that one out away from by the door and bring it over here also. But this is Val, but this is how you do it. And I'm finna get started. Because I know it's supposed to rain, but I want to know how hard it rains. If it's not raining hard, I might not do anything. But if it starts raining real hard, then I'll move stuff around. And I see all you beautiful, 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 beautiful people on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, that everything button. And I'll talk to you beautiful people later. Bye-bye now.